Welcome back to Island Life Live. Now, filling out the free application for federal student aid, or FAFSA, can be a daunting task, but our Nikki Holbrook sat down with a special guest to help make the process a little easier. Watch.
It's time to lock in because FAFSA applications are opening soon, and Hawaii P-20 shares with us some tips on how you can make this process simple and easy. I hear FAFSA applications are opening soon, so what do parents and students need to know?
It's time for all seniors, and for that matter, anybody thinking about going on to college in the 25-26 school year to get their FAFSA completed or get ready for it. It is a brand new FAFSA. It's simple, it's easy. It really should be easy for most of our students and parents to do.
I love that you said simple, because I know sometimes people are worried that the application will be complicated, but if people have questions, what types of resources are available to them?
Well, there's a tremendous amount of help out there. First off, an email, FAFSA@hawaii.edu. We also have a helpline where you can call, leave a message, and we'll get back to you again. You should also keep in mind that the college and career counselors at each of the high schools are your best resource and should be your first resource. They're right there. They know who you are. They know what your situation is. Go talk to them. They're pros. They do this every single year.
I know sometimes people have misconceptions about FAFSA. Who should apply? Am I eligible? What would you say to people who maybe aren't sure if they should actually apply for it?
We recommend that everybody apply for it. If you're not sure if you're going to be eligible, if you're not sure if you're going to college, that's fine. You're not committing to anything. You're just opening up your options and finding out what will be available or would be available if you do decide.
Fingers crossed there are no delays this year, but if there happens to be a delay in the FAFSA application, what do you recommend students do? Is there something that they should be doing in that waiting period?
Take a deep breath is the first thing we recommend.
I love that.
Don't let the stress get to you. It will open up and we will be there to help you. But there are a lot of other going to college type activities that need to be done. You need to make sure that you're applying for admissions. You need to check out dormitories. Go to the website and check out the cafeteria and see what kind of food they've got. You know, getting ready to go to college, applying for scholarships. Many of the scholarships will ask for a copy of your FAFSA, so you may not be able to complete it. But you can get started on scholarship applications and get personal essays, letters of recommendation, your references in line. Get all of this ready so that when they do open, boom, you're in. You've got it.
Is there any other websites that students should know of this year?
Yeah, a couple things. For those of you who will be doing FAFSA for the first time, we do have a financial aid night that'll be happening, and it's every Wednesday night as we get into October. These are free, open to anybody. Registration is at collegeiswithinreachhawaii.com. We also, in November, will be having scholarship workshops, 2 of them, where we bring together not only local scholarships, but national scholarship searches. These are free workshops. They're really, really good. Wednesday nights will be dedicated to FAFSA completion. So we're not going away. We will be there for all the help you need to get you through the process.